Alright, so Apple Vision Air might actually be a thing. Yup, Apple's reportedly cooking up a lighter, sleeker version of their mixed reality headset, and honestly, it sounds like the upgrade we've all been waiting for. Because let's be real, the Vision Pro is cool, but it kind of felt like strapping a mini desktop to your face. Nearly a kilo of tech on your head once you factored in that chunky battery pack hanging off your hip and a $3,500 price tag to go with it. According to a new leak, this Vision Air is shaping up to be way thinner, way less bulky, and it might ditch the whole Pro branding for something a little more approachable. The leaker, Kosutami over on X, claims Apple's using titanium for the internal frame and components this time, which should seriously cut down the weight. If you've held an iPhone 15 Pro or an Apple Watch Ultra, you already know how light but tough that stuff is. The outer shell is still expected to be aluminum though, but now finished in this deep midnight black. And here's where it gets fun. There's supposedly a new dark graphite color too, kind of like that sleek black iPhone 5 vibe. Way moodier and more modern than the silver and white Vision Pro look. They're even switching up the charging connector. It's a little beefier than a Lightning port, drops from 12 pins to 8, and keeps with that dark, stealthy theme. No big spec details yet, but it definitely hints at Apple rethinking how these headsets handle power and data. And here's the interesting part. This leak pops up right after Mark Gurman from Bloomberg said Apple's working on 2 new Vision models. One's meant to be lighter and cheaper. The other, a high-end headset that tethers to your Mac, like an ultra premium external display you wear on your face. If Vision Air is legit, it could be the move Apple needs to make mixed reality feel a little less like an expensive tech demo and a little more like something normal people might actually use. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you hanging out for this one. More wild Apple rumors and leaks coming your way soon. Until then, peace.